I purchased this bike about a year ago and made a couple of videos of the setup process and the modifications I made to the bike. If you have not seen those two videos, please browse my channel. Today my friends and I will bike around this beautiful lake while answering some of the questions I received from you about this bike. I receive a lot of feedback and questions in public and the comment sections regarding the bike and its functionality. In this video, I will try to answer some of the questions that have been asked about this bike. The answers are based on my opinion and experience with the bike, and they are not meant to convince you or entice you into making a decision. After all, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this bike for my personal use. Let's get started. The bike is listed as a high carbon steel frame. The bike is listed at 39 pounds fully assembled. The bike is heavier than a comparable aluminum bike the same size. You will feel the weight difference when lifting and riding it. It does not fold completely flat because you have pedals and other components that prevent that, but it does fold enough to put in your car's trunk, assuming your car's trunk has a decent opening. The bike has 26-inch wheels and is listed for individuals 5'3" to 6'3". 300 pounds is the recommended maximum weight. The bike is listed as a mountain bike, but its true function is for a flat, paved, or mildly rugged road. You will be fine if you are a casual biker who typically bike on flat, paved roads. I would not recommend buying this bike as an actual mountain bike to do tricks and take it on a rough trail because you will be disappointed. From my experience with other bikes, I would not call the construction of this bike as of high quality, but nothing has broken yet. Shifting is stiff, and small audible screeching sounds can be heard at times. But if you use it as a casual biker, you will be fine. I first changed the skinny seat to a more comfortable seat that makes long rides enjoyable and comfortable. So yes, it's comfortable now with the seat replacement. And just like any other bike, you can adjust the seat's height. If you're talking about a regular child bike seat, I don't see why not, because it has the same components as any other bike. Yes, I still like the bike for my need and purpose as a casual biker. I bought it for its looks and not for its functionality and practicality. This bike is right for you based on your needs, situation, and preference. I hope I was able to answer your questions and keep on biking.